Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a little bit different because I'm actually sharing a product review on a product that was sent to me by WAVELU, and I want to thank them so much for sending these products out to me. And these are their silicone air fryer pots. They sent me their large, which fits a 3 to 5 quart air fryer, and their extra large, which fits a 5.3 quart air fryer or larger. And the first thing I noticed before I even used the pot is just the quality of the silicone. These were not flimsy at all. And I'm cooking 2 fairly large pieces of salmon and some potatoes, and they fit in perfectly. I am using the extra large silicone pot because I do have a 5.3 quart air fryer. And as you can see, it fits like a glove. So they're definitely true to size. And I know that typically with air fryers, you do have the holes that help circulate the air, but my food still cooked evenly. And all I had to do was remove the silicone pot, and as you can see, the inside of my air fryer is still squeaky clean. So as you guys can see, the food cooked up beautifully, and I will have a video of me making this dish over on TikTok, so go check that out. And now it's time to clean it up. And as you can see, I have salmon and butter and oil on the bottom of the silicone pot. And just imagine, this would have been in your air fryer if you didn't have this product from WAVELU. And now I'm just going to take some warm water. I'm going to rinse out all of that butter and oil and grease. As you can see, everything kind of just slid right out. And now I'm just taking a soapy sponge and cleaning it out, and guys, it looked as good as new. And if you guys think that I'm exaggerating, go to Amazon and read the reviews. There are countless amazing reviews singing the praises of this product. If you would like to try the silicone air fryer pot by WAVELU, click the link in the description box below. You guys, thank you so much for spending time with me and watching this video, and I send you peace, love, and joy from my kitchen to yours. See you in the next one.